We made £1,000 in a week off a Ford Fiesta, but we got off Copart.
Yeah.
Money bags.
Hi everyone, so we're on with the fast flips. The Copart Fiesta's now gone, so we'll run through some numbers. We did all right, made some money, didn't we?
Yeah, so we paid $650 for it. We got an engine, luckily, for 140 quid, which was perfect. Yeah. Put a battery on it. We're about $950 into it. Put an MOT on it.
They included timing belt in that.
Yeah, they're only quite cheap.
Yeah.
So if we say about £1,000, all done, and we've sold it for 2,000, so you know we've made 1,000. Really, we should keep a tally of money we've made off of them all. Yeah,
we should be. We've got that board. We should use that.
Yeah, we'll do that. What we'll do is we'll insert it shortly.
Yeah,
to show you that it is doable, but you do get some stinkers. This one could have been an headache if we didn't get a really cheap engine. So we have now bought the next one.
Yeah.
And we're currently halfway through repairing it. So we're going to take you through, show you what we're doing. A few clips. It's not major, but we'll show you. It's
just another one we diagged it again, didn't we? We'll show you that anyway. We'll show you.
Right, we'll take you through. Let's go through. We'll just take them through. So it is a 2014 Astra.
Is it 1.6?
1.6 petrol.
Petrol, turbo.
Turbo petrol, yeah.
So this one came. We got this one. It's quite bizarre, isn't it? We're hoping we're right. It's got a vibration, but the vibration don't go away no matter if you press clutch. It doesn't change. But I've had something similar to this, and when you're driving, it feels like it's down on power. And what tends to happen is the centre flywheel like elongates, and it throws the flywheel outwards, and then you feel the sensation through the car. It's quite an unusual sensation.
The car feels fine apart from this vibration. It drives fine.
Yeah.
It's just
no lights. Nothing is like that. So obviously we're halfway through it now. We've just taken subframes off essentially, and then fuel bolts left in gearbox. We'll drop it out and we'll see if we're right or not.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll show you when it's out.
So I'm just lift it on me.
Fucking hell, flywheel's fucked.
If not, the engine's ghosted. The door just got it.
The door just gone.
Why? What's it doing like?
Vibrating.
Is it?
If not, crank's ghost.
My back's a bit iffy.
Here, Josh, you're gonna have to get that. I think.
Get what?
This. Because my shoulder's fucked.
How you get to back?
There's some size there.
Feel my shoulder going.
Have you made this fat fan in the lane now or what?
No.
Not really.
Is that attached to the box?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Stuck on a dowel, that's it. You around it?
Yeah. Slide it back. Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
She's off.
Oh. There's no playing out though.
No, we need to see flywheel.
That's touching to her top.
Yeah, it's touching. Back it.
Oh,
I'm just playing it. Oh yeah.
Can I just video that? Press it up.
But it's light, Gaff.
Right, so.
It's light, Gaff.
I don't know. It's stuck somewhere.
Yeah, you don't need it like. Oh, no, it's like you can see. Right, we're going to.
Hang on.
Move it.
So this is before we take it off. So obviously you can see it's got a lot of movement in there. A hell of a lot of movement actually, so you can hear it knocking. So hopefully that's the problem. We're going to whip the clutch off and see we can see if there's anything obvious with the flywheel, but it definitely needs a new one.
Right, so now gearbox is out. We've took the clutch off the flywheel. Just going to try and show you if I can. The bearing in the centre of the flywheel has fallen apart. So that's where we're getting all the vibration from, because it's allowing the flywheel to vibrate and move. So you can see where the bearing's collapsed, it's actually pushed it over. So what we're saying about it throws all the weight to one side, So as it's spinning, it vibrates the engine. Because it's difficult to get the bolts out. You can see the top of the bolts where it's been scraping because it's been allowed to move. And there is actually bits of bearing in there, if you can see them. So it fell apart.
Oh wow. Yeah, it's in a bad way, that, isn't it?
Yeah. Which is good.
Which is good, yeah, because we found a fault.
Because that's what we diagged and that's what we've ordered to fix it. So.
Yeah. That'll be why its starter's not engaging.
Yes, it's moving over.
So it doesn't need a starter motor.
Is there any signs of it?
But we're just missing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But if it were on an angle of upholstery to one side, it was scraping and that, if you remember.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there we go. That's had it.
That's a diag.
What about the clutch?
It's on its way, innit?
I don't know. That pressure plate is.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
We'll get a new one in, get it back together, get it sold. Happiest man alive. So all new clutches on, flywheels on. We'll get box on. And
Slaves in.
Slaves in, yeah, you got a new slave. So then we'll get it boxed up.
Fire them upon. Hi everyone, so in this video we're off to Dubai to look at a car.
I wish.
So Astra is done and gone, so we didn't get to film an ending to the video really, did we?
No, so when we got the gearbox back on, we had a phone call for a guy desperate for a car. So I literally the next day drove it to him. It were all done, wasn't it? Aircon, it did fix all faults. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert a clip of us dropping it off, and then the one we've took in Part X.
Yeah, we made good money on it. I want to talk about money in this one.
No,
we'll do it in next one.
Yeah.
We'll run through, because we took a Part X, so it's not all straightforward. But you'll see the Part X, and we'll talk about what we made in the next video.
Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, and be ready for the next one, and where we could tell you how much we made.
Yeah, cheers guys, thanks for watching.
Or did Mac.
Or didn't, mate, yeah.